On this episode of Budget Project, I continue working on my 1986 Ninja 600 project by installing some turn signals, front and rear. I'm going to start with the front because, in my opinion, this is the easiest. These holes provide a nice, easy mounting point for some turn signals. Now, these are very simple. Nut at the end, the wire goes through. Just gotta make sure you don't tear anything pulling it through. Thread it through the hole. Get the nut on. And then spin the nut onto the headlight bolt. This is probably the easiest installation ever. Get it nice and snug. Hold the wires up tight. And one nice last spin. And perfect. Now for the other side. Sometimes it's easier to get it started with the actual turn signal, but you can't spin it the whole time, otherwise the wires will get twisted. Now, last rotation, and here we go. Now the wiring depends on your bike. I'm going to do this later, just because you can't really see with the mess that's in there. Now for the rears, there's really not a good place to mount them. Part of my plan is to chop off this piece right here anyways. So my plan is to get these bolts off. Now they hold the rear seat on, that's what they do. And instead, thread the turn signal through the bolt hole. It's the same exact thread, as long as the wire doesn't get tangled. Nothing wrong with that. And there we go. That's one. Yep. Take this off first. Now I got these turn signals off of Amazon. Actually, the reason they're different is this set came with a bike. The previous owner put them on. The ones I put up front I bought. I bought them for about $8. Could have bought all four matching, but save a couple bucks, why not? And there we go. Just gotta wire them in and go to the rears. Now the bike's almost tree legal. See you guys in the next episode.